Hey guys, it's Keiren here and we're back out in the Easy Big Trees nursery today, and I just wanted to show you guys some tips and tricks on how to prune a fruit tree. First of all, we are going to need a few things. So I've got my gloves on, keep my hands safe, and my nice clean and sharp secateurs. So what we want to achieve is we want to open up the canopy, maximize our sunlight in the leaves. That'll give us the sugars for a bountiful crop of fruit. And we also want to open up the canopy so we can get good airflow through the tree to keep our disease risk low. So the cuts we're going to make here, we're going to take off this branch, and this branch. And that's going to open up the canopy so that we can get plenty of airflow through and that bird can come through as well. So when we make this cut, we're going to take it off and we're going to leave about 4 mil away from the main trunk, just so that wound can heal over and there's going to be no major damage to the trunk itself. So we've opened up our canopy, but while we're here, I did just want to mention about the water shoots. Now on a younger tree such as this one, water shoots aren't so much of an issue. They're going to form our structure of the tree as it grows, but on a mature fruit tree, you do want to shorten up your water shoots so that you can encourage the sugars to not be robbed by the water shoots, but to come down into your fruit spurs where your fruit is going to grow. If you've got any further questions about fruit trees, please, I encourage you to come into the nursery and our friendly and experienced team can help you with any queries.